folks, this is Will with MarineMax, and I'm standing on a brand new 2027 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. Now this boat is designed for great experiences on the water with your family and friends. Just look at the layout of the boat, the size of the salon area where everybody will be congregating on a boat, but there are certain features that really make this boat stand apart. Starting with, if you're out with your family, friends, and you want a way to cook some up meals, some hot dogs or whatever, you have a nice Dometic grill here that you can access easily right above your refrigerator, which is right below here. And then when you look at the back section of the boat, you have these great seats that actually project out a little bit, and a great position to be on the boat, just lounging out at the sandbar for the day. Just a wonderful position. In addition to that, back here in the aft section, this 290 also has what's called a swim platform, which you can tell lowers down into the water, and it allows you to jump into the water and then come right back out, back through the swim ladder in the aft section. As we move up towards the bow of the boat, or the helm area, just notice this great seating up here. So both these seats here are translational. So if you're up here at the captain's station and everybody's docked to the sandbar, you can turn these seats around and enjoy the company of everybody on the boat instead of having to be facing the wrong way. Of course, here at the helm, you're going to have joystick controls. This boat's powered by twin Mercury 250 horsepower motors. And of course, with your joystick and your digital throttle and digital steering, gives you complete ease of use and handleability of the boat in small spaces and controlling it in areas that you normally wouldn't be able to do so. And then finally, as you move up into the bow section, just look at how much space there is up here just to lounge out in the sun and enjoy your day on the water. Complemented by a windlass anchor up front, and there's a section in the back where you can put a stern anchor and store that away just to make your day on the water that much easier. If you're interested in this boat or would like some more information, come on by MarineMax here in Jacksonville. Would love to see you. Again, this is Will Porter. Thank you so much.